Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to the second week of the Winter Wonderland YouTube Hop, hosted by Deb Adams from Creative Life and Kim Mary from Salty Beach Scrappers. We have a wonderful lineup of designers who will be sharing their winter-inspired projects as well as tutorials. They'll also be giving away fun prizes. In order to participate in the giveaway, you must be 18 years or older, a U.S. or international resident, and you must visit each channel, leave a comment, and be a visible subscriber. For my project this week, I created these beautiful ice skates using a digital file from SVGCUTS from their Winter Gazebo collection. These ice skates were so much fun to make. Because of the Winter Wonderland theme, I wanted to create something that had ice blues and whites and snowflakes. The paper that I used is Blue Noel. This is by DCWV. This did come out about 2 years ago, and I absolutely love it. I have used it throughout my 12 Days of Christmas series, as well as the owl project that I created last week. This project is fairly sizable. I created 2 ice skates. These measure 7.5 inches from the top to the bottom of the blade, and they are 7 inches wide. I really love the details on this. On the front of the ice skate, I have this white ribbon, and then I've used this pretty snowflake embossed paper on the front. For the reinforcers, I have cut out this silver glitter paper, and I have this beautiful rhinestone lining the entire ice skate. On the side, I have a variety of gem clusters. So we have hematite, we have a white pearl, and then an iridescent gray. We have 3 clusters of them here, here, and here. And then to coordinate with this beautiful blue and white snowflake paper, I made this white rosette, and then I have this beautiful embellishment that's in silver, pearl, and blue, and then I've added in these winter greens, which are in a silver glitter. Here's a closer look of the blade on the bottom, and this is very realistic. I have these silver brads that are attached to the heel of the ice skate. Let me give you a closer look. This is the back. Again, we have more of this beautiful rhinestone. I think that just complements this paper so nicely. And here's a close-up of these beautiful pearls. And the second ice skate is exactly like the first. Now these ice skates are also gift boxes. I have just stuck in blue tissue paper here. It actually looks like the sock to the boot. But if I take this out, this goes all the way down to the tip of the boot here, and you can stuff this with candy or a small gift. This concludes my review of my Winter Wonderland ice skates. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. As a reminder, our Winter Wonderland YouTube Hop giveaway will be closing on Thursday, January 14th, and we will be announcing our winners on Saturday, January 16th. So be sure to tune in to see what fabulous prizes I will be giving away. Also, I wanted to invite you to join me on January 23rd and January 30th for our My Shabby Valentine YouTube Hop. This will be really fun, and we will have beautiful shabby chic Valentine's Day projects. So please be sure to join us. Up next in the hop is Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.